What is manifestation? This question is in everybody's mind. It means the process of attracting something either by will or knowing that it already exists. Everyone has this question at the back of their mind, shows the existence of manifesting. In short, it is about directing your desire towards a specific object or situation to become it a reality. Why do people manifest? People manifest for many reasons. Some have deeper belief that can be tapped using certain method. Some are trying to move on from a painful past. Still others are merely searching for what they want. Whatever it is that makes their heart desire alive. How manifesting done? Science behind manifestation start with person's state of mind. To manifest, mind must be open to receive energy that will come about. To make it easier on yourself, learn how to meditate. By closing your eyes, you will see and feel the aura or the magnetic field that surrounds you in space. When you master the art of manifesting, you will learn how to relax your mind to reach your heart desires. You also learn to let go of any fears that may be haunting you or any negative belief you may hold about yourself. For example, if you believe that you are helpless and cannot do anything, you cannot manifest your goal or dreams. Let's say you are positive about your ability to control circumstance, life and your destiny. In that case, you can manifest anything you want. Mastering the power of positive psychology will help you manifest anything that you desire. So the question is how to manifest anything. Manifesting does not necessarily mean giving something to your dreams or what you desire about. It just means putting your thought, hope and belief towards your dreams so that it become a reality. If you want to attract success, you must visualize yourself as a successful and wealthy person. You must see yourself as you already possess all the material comfort that you want in your life. Visualize and imagine all the beautiful things you desire and imagine yourself doing all those things. You need to remember, visualization is considered to be the first part towards manifesting. One very effective manifesting technique is to concentrate on your energy. By focusing your energy on your desire, you can attract same into your life. This happens when you use the power of visualization combined with affirmations. The purpose is to make your desire a reality instead of just an idea floating in your mind. To manifest something, you have to act upon the thought or idea that you have conceived. Thus, when you meditate and focus on desire, you will see that desire already materialized in front of you. Plus, the universe responds to what you tell it. When you tell the universe that you want something, it will respond by sending you exactly what you asked for. Let's say if you ask the universe for a car, it will give you a car. If you say you want love, it will manifest something that brings love to you. What the universe does is that it follows your thought. You can easily visualize your desire or the outcome you want by making a picture in your mind's eye. This is also known as attraction process. With the desire ready to go, you will need to direct your desire with your intention. Visualizing your future dreams can be easy when you put your thought on a vision board, or even better, when a tape recorder playing your affirmation in a soft, steady tone. With creative visualization, you will find yourself attracting all kind of things into your life. It starts with simple things such as using your imagination and seeing yourself doing all kind of positive things. As you continue doing this, you will start to attract all type of success in your life. Of course, you have to keep with the attraction process by using your creative visualization technique until you are completely satisfied to manifest anything successfully. There are no shortcuts. You must follow the law of attraction most correctly and efficiently possible in your life. Law of attraction, according to people who have studied, says whatever you focus on your mind, it becomes your reality. Now we all know that we are product of our thought. Suppose we are following the thought of what is possible. In that case, we can use the manifestation process. to manifest anything we want. The most important thing here is focusing on the desire we want, keeping the object of desire in mind and visualizing it. If the object or situation does not fulfill the desire, then change the thought to something else. This is how you can create your reality. All in all, how to manifest anything can be a very difficult question or even a complicated science. Suppose you know the basic and apply your creative visualization technique. In that case, you will able to answer this question easily. This is also one of the best ways to get what you want, especially if you already possess it. When you focus on what is missing, you will eventually find what you want. So when you ask how to manifest anything, you should also know how to make an effective visualization of desire.